Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Pamela. Make sure you subscribe down below. So today's video is going to be all about Olaplex. So I actually did a video about their number 3 treatments a while back and it absolutely transformed my hair. So it made my curls come back, it actually healed a lot of my heat damage, and it just made my hair super shiny overall. They're not sponsoring this video, by the way, it's just I genuinely love their hair care stuff, and my hair is so thick and coarse and it's actually hard to tame. So it's hard to find products that actually work on my hair, and this definitely does work. So in today's video, I decided to buy their whole entire hair treatment line. So I'm gonna be using all of their products from 0 to number 8, I believe. Even though I'm going to use the number 3 treatment in today's video, I just wanted to compare what it's like to use the whole entire line compared to using just the number 3 treatment, and if there's a big difference or if they have other products that work really well and that I feel like it's worth investing your money. So if you guys are excited for today's video, give this video a thumbs up so I know to make more, and let's get started. Okay, so my hair is actually pretty damaged right now. I just dyed it and I also straightened it for like weeks on end. So this weekend I'm going on another vacation, so when I wear my hair naturally curly, I just want it to look super soft and bouncy and curlier and less frizzy. So that's why I wanted to try out their whole line tonight before I leave. So my hair is actually pretty damaged, and it's just like how it was when I started using Olaplex, although it smells really good. So right now my hair doesn't have any product in it at all. This is just how it dried when I got out the shower. If you guys have extremely frizzy hair and it's super thick and coarse like this, I think the number 3 treatment you'll definitely love if you haven't tried it already. I'm just brushing it out before we get started. This is my hair brushed out. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's definitely frizzy. So I'm going to start off by using the number 0 solution. So this is meant to be used on dry hair, and it's also supposed to work really well with the number 3 treatment. It's actually supposed to increase the effectiveness of the number 3 treatment by like 65% or something crazy like that. And you're only supposed to leave it on your hair for about 10 minutes. So even though they say less is more, my hair just soaks up everything and pretty much doesn't spread around my hair as easily. I probably should have got a mirror for this. So the purpose of using Olaplex is to actually repair the bonds of your hair. It just puts life back into your hair pretty much. So this product is pretty runny. It honestly just feels like you're putting water on your hair. It's also really good to focus on your ends because your ends have the most damage. I always like over straighten my ends because they're so frizzy. So I'm gonna focus most of the product on the ends and then work my way up. Okay guys, so my hair is pretty much saturated. It took me a while to actually saturate the whole thing. I do have super thick hair. The spout on here is so tiny. You really gotta squeeze it really hard to get a lot out. I did use more than half of the bottle. Now we just wait for 10 minutes and then I'll be right back with the next step. Okay. Let's get started with the next step. It's been 10 minutes since the solution has been in my hair. I can already see the curls starting to work in there. So the number 3 treatment also strengthens and repairs. When a salon offers a conditioning treatment or a repair treatment, they use stuff like this. So this is like a take-home version of that. It's recommended to use this 1 time per week, but if you have really damaged hair, it says 2 to 3 times. The more I used it, the more I can see my hair curl up, get less frizzy and stuff like that. So I honestly used it 3 times a week when I was, transforming my hair. I will leave it on for, an hour or so just to get all the benefits. I'm also going to train my hair to be curly, so I might put some rollers in it. All of these products are going to be really good for all hair types. So I like to take this much and kind of run through it until I feel like it's fully saturated. Definitely if you have curly hair, this is gonna help bring back your curls. Even if you have years and years of damage, this is so good. Don't feel like you have to section off your hair in the smallest sections and try to get every single strand, because it's honestly gonna give you the exact same result. Even though it feels like a conditioner, it's not a conditioner. Also not a keratin treatment, and it's also not a mask. So this product is actually very, very highly concentrated, so you're not supposed to use too much in your hair. If you don't have super thick hair like me, one bottle should last you probably a month. Alright guys, so my hair is completely saturated in the number 3 treatment. I'm also going to put some rollers in my hair just to help my curl pattern a little bit, and I feel like it works a little bit better than twisting my hair. So if you guys have curly hair and you're trying to get your curls back, it's just what I like to do to kind of train my hair. So I'm going to go do that really quick, and then I'm probably going to wait probably an hour. See you guys in a few. Alright guys, I actually just put my hair in some rollers. So these are some satin foam rollers. I feel like these work really, really well. So the next step will be to wash and condition the hair. So I'm going to take all of these out and then use the number 4 and 5 of the Olaplex. So this is just to help condition the hair, hydrate the hair. It also repairs and strengthens. It's just another form of it. This is what my hair looks like right now. It holds the curl way more when I do this instead of doing the twists. And I just feel like the twists just fall out really easily, and the form of the twist doesn't really make my hair curlier in any way. This is like a cool little hack. Just make sure you get foam rollers that kind of mimic the size of your curl pattern. So I have a more wavier curl, so I can get away with larger curl rods. But if you have more of a tighter curl, I would either go smaller or I would get the flexi rods that would kind of like work a little bit better. Now I'm gonna wash my hair with the number 4 and 5. Okay guys, this is my hair after I just washed it. So we're gonna go in with the next step. So I'm going to go in with the number 8. So it actually skips 6 and 7 because 6 and 7 are actually styling products. So we're gonna use that at the end. But this is the number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. So this is gonna help moisturize, soothe, add body, and shine. So I'm gonna see how well this one works. I haven't tried this one. I believe it's a new product that they just came out with. I think pumps also just help you control how much product you use. So this is one pump, and I'm just going to, it's actually really, really thick and creamy. It smells good. Just going to work it all the way up just because I have drier hair right now because I dyed it. So I'm gonna bring it up just a little bit, and then I like to divide my hair in half and then get the bottom half. I feel like it's gonna work really, really well. So I like to just take care of the edges of my hair as well because those hairs are actually really, really thin. I also like to scrunch my hair when it's wet like this just to keep training it. Every time I put product in it, I feel like the curls kind of get stretched out, so if you scrunch in between, it kind of helps your hair. Okay, so I'm all done just putting all of the mask in my hair. You can feel it grab onto your hair, so I really like the consistency of this. So I just have to leave this mask in my hair for about 10 minutes. So I'm just going to hang out for a little bit, and I'll be back to show you guys how I style it. Alright guys, we're back. I just washed my hair. I just rinsed out all of the mask and I wrapped my hair in a microfiber towel that will really help control the frizz as well, especially if you're trying to get your curls popping. Microfiber towels is just the way to go. So the number 6 is actually this right here. It's actually a bond smoother. It's a leave-in reparative styling cream and it eliminates frizz, nourishes, and protects. It smells so good actually. It smells a little different than the rest of the products. This one actually smells more citrusy. So I'm just gonna run this along my hairline because that's where I get the most frizz, to be honest. It's like the back middle of my hair gets really frizzy. But you can put this in your hair while it's damp and while it's dry. Next we have the number 7. And this is the bonding oil. So this is mainly for like shine and stuff like that. I believe it does repair your hair as well. So if you have like drier hair, I think this will help it look a little more healthy. I actually used this oil before. I bought all these products a long time ago, you guys. I just haven't used them. So I usually have a hair oil that I use, but I forgot to buy it. So I saw this laying around. I was like, might as well try to use it. And it makes my hair so shiny. So this is it for the products, you guys. I actually use every single product in the Olaplex hair treatment line. I obviously love the number 3. I definitely love this smoother stuff. It smells so good. And then probably the mask is really hydrating. I feel like my hair is so soft right now. So those are my favorites so far. I have to see how my hair dries and how it is tomorrow to see how curly it gets and how less frizzy it is. I'll give you guys my final review of this line tomorrow after my hair dries. But so far so good. So I'm actually gonna go to bed and let my hair dry overnight. And honestly, when I go to bed with my hair wet and I wake up, my hair comes out curlier. So I don't know why. But this is it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so I just wanted to show you guys my hair in natural lighting so you guys can actually see the texture a little bit better. So this is what my hair is looking like right now. I don't know if it's hard to see, but my curls are coming back way higher than they usually do. And I really feel like the frizz has went down a lot. As you guys can see, like my curls are more chunkier instead of frizz, and using the product all the way to the end of my hair really made it look way more healthy. Definitely think if I keep doing it, it will just improve my hair more and more, because this is just after one use. Doing the whole entire line really does make a difference, like a significant difference. I will put the before picture of what my hair was in the last video that I made about this, and I'll show you guys, you know, the comparison. And right now my hair is way longer than that photo, so that could be also why my hair kind of looks a little weighed down a little bit, but I'm definitely happy with it. It looks so good. I definitely don't even need that much product in my hair at all for my curly hair routine, and honestly, this is like perfect hair for vacation. Overall opinion about their whole line, it is very time consuming, so give yourself a whole self-care day or something to do that routine, because there's so many steps involved that it is time consuming. I definitely love all of the products and how they smell and the textures of them and how they are on my hair, because I definitely do feel like my hair is still lightweight. There's no like film residue on my hair from products or anything like that, so I definitely love that. I definitely do think the number 3 treatment and the repairing mask really works well together. I definitely genuinely love Olaplex. I love every single product they have. I feel like I can do without the oil. Oh yeah, the bonding treatment, the smoothing bonding treatment is so good for curly hair. So I feel like that is what really helped the frizz after my hair dried. So definitely love that. But this is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give me a thumbs up so I know to make more. Also comment down below if you guys want any other, Olaplex videos or hair videos or different products I should try. Let me know down below in the comments. Also, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.